So this is how Koreans enjoy springtime and cherry blossom seasons in Korea. So now I am at Seoul Children's Grand Park, where I am right now on the map here, right? From here, walking to this main trail, what you can see is, my gosh, the ragey cherry blossom. This is not only you just walk and enjoy this cherry blossom, but also you can have a picnic underneath the cherry blossom trees. Like now is the Thursday afternoon. If you come this weekend, which is like only 3 days away from now, I can imagine that how many people would be there. Enjoy the picnic underneath the amazingly beautiful cherry blossom trees. So what you can do this weekend here, you may want to buy some food and snacks from the 7-Eleven here, and then try to secure those wooden platform up there. These are already pretty much all taken, but this weekend it will be more definitely competitive. Now it's a Thursday weekdays, but you already see so many people. But can you imagine how many people would be there this weekend? 2 days away from now, it will be completely full bloom this weekend. The good spots underneath the cherry blossom will be all taken very shortly. So if you plan to visit here this weekend, I strongly recommend you get here as early as possible. Wow, look at that. They are having such a large picnic there. They brought everything, like some comfy chairs and tables. Wow. So this is how Koreans enjoy springtime and cherry blossom seasons in Korea. So how to get here? So you take a subway and get off either 어린이 대공원역 on line 7 or 아차산역 on line 5. It is walking distance from there. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And Seoul Children's Grand Park is huge, so I recommend you to start this amazing cherry blossom excursions 구이문 gate, which is exit 5. So along this way is full of cherry blossoms. They will be in full bloom this weekend. Some cherry blossom branches are hanging very low, close to the ground, so actually you can touch them.